How are you doing?
Yeah, fine. I'm doing well.
How is your quarantine going on?
Yeah, it's boring. I'm not going out of my home.
Inside, if you are in a red zone or something.
Yeah, even we are in green zone, but they are not allowing to roam outside.
Okay. So, you're missing your college? You just graduated. Anything you're missing in Geetam?
Yeah, it's a lot. We have missed everything. We are in final semester and we missed lots of enjoyment. It's a beautiful days of our college life.
What was your opinion about Geetam when you first entered in 2016 and now when you're stepping out of college?
Yeah, what we expected, we have gained that much knowledge, but it's okay. We have grasped some knowledge and we are convenient. It's okay. Yeah. Not more,
You're
not
not
less.
just studies going on. So, was it difficult or easy for you?
Yeah, it's easy. It's going well. That
So, being a mechanical guy, did you learn any coding or any technologies?
yeah, we have learned C language. It's the basic thing. That's it. Nothing at all. We have learned in mechanical department courses. That's it.
Okay. So, you attended interviews. So, how was your first interview? What was your experience? Was it good or bad?
Yeah, Apex what I have attended is very good. It's went cool and it's easy process and we have selected very easily.
Did you feel any time that maybe I had done some mistake in interview? I should have corrected it or I should have done it more better. Do you think any time?
Yeah. While group discussion, most of the time I have got more panic and I have developed myself and I have changed lots of time. So experience changes you.
Okay. So, how was your working? Like, did you start?
Yeah, I have
I
started working. Depending on job profile, I have mainly for Apex. I have trained the relating subjects. I have learned. I have prosecuted, and so I have got the job. That's it.
so you're ready to enter
Yeah,
into the work.
yeah, I'm ready to
Oh,
enter.
okay. So according to you, what is your opinion? Like people say after written exam, it is very easy to clear all other rounds. So what according to you is true? Is it easy or tough?
Yeah, it depends on the individual. So how you communicate with the HR, it depends main. So the skills, the attitude, it plays a major role while communicating with the HR. Main communication plays a key role. That's it.
Okay. So you think only academics is important to us, or is there any other thing that we need to learn? Just academics is important.
Yeah, not at all. With academics, you can't do anything. You need to have skills more. Main communication. If you have communication, you can sustain anywhere.
Okay. So you got selected in Apex. Did you do any pre-training, like any preparations?
Yeah, one day night I have prepared. That's it. Somehow I have been selected. The main thing you need to have basics from. I have remembered some recognized from last 4 years. So I have cleared written test well. So I have got the job. That's it.
Okay. So who is your favorite faculty or any other favorite subject in mechanical?
Yeah, my favorite faculty is Ashok sir. He teaches tribology in mechanical. So my favorite subject is heat and mass transfer.
So why is that your favorite subject? And why not other?
Yeah, love more thermodynamics related heat. It's very practical, so I have shown interest more. It's a daily life. We are seeing that example, so I have shown interest. So I like that subject.
Okay. So what do you think about Geetam? What changes are they good or bad? What changes did you see in Geetam?
Yeah, management is good, so still it need to be developed. It's okay. It's going good, but if we develop, it will be best. That's it.
Okay. Before wrapping up, You want to give any suggestion to your juniors?
Yeah, I would like to give, you need to check what requirements are there for our industry. Maybe CSC from any department, you need to check what skills required. If you focus from first year, you can gain your job easily and no need to, fetching job in college is very easy and outside world you can't. So develop your skills and you can gain your job as well. That's it.
Okay, thank you.